everybody, this is Anna James here from Lexus of Jacksonville in the technology department. Today I'm here to show you how you can pair up your Homelink system in your Lexus to your garage door. With that being said, let's get right into the video.
First, we'll want to get the code from your garage door remote into your rearview mirror. To do that, we'll press and hold the corresponding button on your garage door remote. At the same time, we'll press and hold one of the 3 Homelink buttons on your rearview mirror that you'd like to have open your garage door.
If at the end of the process you have a solid green light, this means no further steps need to be taken and your Homelink system is all set to use. If you have a flashing green light, the following steps need to be taken.
First, we'll need to locate the Learn button on the motor of your garage door opener. Make sure your Lexus is in reach and the previous steps have been accomplished.
Press the Learn button on your garage motor, then go back to your Lexus and press the paired Homelink button 3 times as shown here. Alright everybody, that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you for watching.